That's a new toy we got today. It's an unbranded toy, a police car that makes sound. And it's great because it looks exactly like a Dickie Toys car. Again, non-branded and designed in the USA, blah 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 blah, made in China like everyone else. So Benai is gonna open it up and Benai is gonna unbox it and let's have some fun. Open it up. Here. Jack, please. Let's see. Bring me the knife. The knife. No. What's a knife? My wallet. So Benai's gonna bring me the knife. As you can see, that's wait. Ayala. Although they have lots of toys, they are extremely happy with זהירות, להרחיק את הדם, יאללה. Now we're gonna, that's a bit difficult, as you can see. Wait, so yeah. No, you're not in the area. This is it. Let's see how it drives. First of all, you can see that that's a very simple car. Plastic wheels, not rubber. Strong, but again, wait. Hello. No, it looks like a road reaper of Dickie Toys. Again, very simple. But it does the work. Benaya tells me that that's really boring, and I am totally agreeing with him. I agree with him 100% because that's really boring. So let's use it on the next video. Bye bye kids, enjoy.